guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished this look that I have on. I am off to Micheals. Just trying to zip up my freaking jacket. I'm off to Micheals right now to go pick up my drawers, which is the reason for this video. And it just started raining, which hella sucks. Well, let me put on some music. Sorry for the beeping. But yeah, I'm off to Micheals. I'm gonna be doing my own makeup drawers. They were on sale. So originally, I got the drawers. Oh shit, do I have my ID and stuff? Yes, I do. So, originally, let me go through my emails. Okay, so originally they were $101, but then they were on sale for I think around like $40. So I got $44. So I got two of them, so it came out to $88. Plus they were having a coupon. If you spend over $50, you get $20 off. So my total came to $72. Yeah, $72 for two of them. So I spent way less than I would spend buying the ones from Ikea, the Alex drawers, and I got double the coupon. I wasn't even looking for drawers right now, but I was on Facebook and Micheals had that coupon, and then I was like, oh, let me just, I don't know what happened. I was just like, let me look at the drawers, and they were on clearance, and I didn't think the coupon was gonna work, because you know, they usually don't allow you to use the coupons on the clearance, but it worked. So now I'm gonna go pick them up all the way in Camarillo. The Ventura one was out of those drawers, so let's go to Camarillo. I'm obsessed with Georgia Smith. Georgia Smith. She sings "Don't Watch Me Cry" and it's so beautiful. And I cry. But yeah, let's go to the store. I got my Alex drawers, or wannabe Alex drawers. They're super heavy, so I honestly don't know how I'm gonna put them in. We'll walk them upstairs. I know I have all these dirty mats, but okay, let's see. Honestly, freak a week. These are f***ing heavy. I honestly don't know how am I gonna walk these upstairs, because you know I live in an apartment and I live upstairs. People probably think I'm crazy. Full on raining. It was drizzling before. I just came from Walmart because I think I'm just gonna go to Lowe's, because I've seen, like, I watched like 2 videos and I've seen the girls get them from Lowe's. I got me a little snack. It's a cranberry walnut salad from Walmart. I was gonna get a sandwich, like this deli sandwich, but I was like, I'm trying to get these gains right now. So I'm just gonna log it on my FitnessPal. And I feel like the deli sandwiches were handmade, so I feel like, what if they put extra, like, extra stuff, so like it's not gonna be an accurate calorie count. I mean, this could be not an accurate calorie count. I just like how my FitnessPal has the scanner, so that I don't have to like input it myself. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this. I also got me a Bang. Well, I got me 2, because I don't know which one I want to drink. Do I want like the pear guava or the pina colada? The pina colada is my new favorite. Well, these 2 are my favorite, but I didn't think I would like the pina colada because I don't really like flavors like that, like the pina colada flavor. It's a hit and miss with me. And I don't know if I'm gonna like feta cheese. I think this is my first time ever trying feta cheese. And raspberry dressing, I usually get like, I'm basic, I get like ranch because, fuck, that's what I get. It like squirted. It smells good. I mean, I'm fucking hungry, so this is gonna have to do. This looks so good. Honestly. Let me show y'all. Look. Like, okay, Walmart. Come through. That looks like blood. Let's try this out. I feel like, let me like snap it because it looks like hella bomb. Sure. Okay, so let's try this. I'm kind of nervous because I've never had feta cheese. I honestly don't think I've ever had feta cheese. Okay, I should have like mixed this up before. And I've never had this dressing. So, okay, that's a lot of dressing right there. It's not bad. I mess with it. And it has walnuts and then little pita pieces. It's actually really good. I would have never grabbed this salad, but I'm trying something new and it was the least calorie one. I'm not shoving my hand. You think that would taste good? Which flavor did I choose? I can really sell them at Walmart now. Well, they're very popular now, so I'm not surprised they don't sell it there. So, let me finish my salad. Let me take one more bite and then I'll start driving. This is so good. I'll probably try to make this at home because I do have a raspberry vinaigrette. So I just need to get like greens in my tea, some cranberries, walnuts, feta cheese, and the pita things. So let's go. I'm just gonna go to Lowe's. I don't know if I said that when I first came in the car. Guys, I'm trying to start the car and my keys aren't even in there. Oh my god. I'm so done with my life. Where did I put my debit card? Where's my key? Oh, it's in my pocket. I took it off my keychain. Okay. Now let's go to Lowe's. Like I said, I'm just gonna go to Lowe's to save me the waste of getting off at Home Depot if they don't have it. I'm like really sensitive to the carbonation of like carbonated drinks, especially like Coke Zero, Cherry Coke, any kind of Coke. Like, ooh, it hits me. Like my fiance, he's into Coke Zero now, and we found cherry Coke Zero at, where were we? I think we're at Wington. And we like, he drank it first and then he's like, oh here, try it. And I tried it and I almost freaking like, I don't know. It was like super strong. So yeah, I don't know what that point of that story was. Finally gonna set up my makeup desk. It's like 9 o'clock at night, but my camera was gonna die, so I had to let it charge. Let me tell you, it was a mission to climb up all those stairs with each one. I had to like carry each piece up by itself, so I'm like torn. I'm like worn out. But I did forget to buy the screwdriver. Sure, one moment. So like I said, I forgot to buy the screwdriver, but I remember we had this little thing with like this little mini screwdriver, and whatever this is. So hopefully somehow I can put this together without needing the screwdriver. I'm gonna put it, let me show you. So I'm putting it like in this little corner by the closet and by my little shelf thing. I was gonna put it by the window, but I don't know yet. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am still trying to do this. I'm barely on the first freaking drawer and it's already 11 o'clock, so I'm just going to finish this tomorrow morning because I am freaking tired. And then, okay guys, before my freaking camera shut off, it's already 11 o'clock. I obviously have still not finished. I'm gonna finish tomorrow and I will catch up with y'all tomorrow morning or afternoon or night. Afternoon. I'm gonna finish this by tomorrow afternoon and I'll show y'all the final result, but I still think it's worth it for the price, but I'll show y'all tomorrow. Guys, so I know I look hella crazy, but I just came from the gym. Well, not just recently, but I went to the gym today. I went on a hike. Like, who am I? But I just finished the desk finally. Here's the final product. It did take me forever to build the second one and the first one, but once I got it on, it was like super easy. And as you can see, my board is not long. Well, I mean, I could make it shorter to where it's like shorter in here, if you know what I mean, like lengthwise, but I don't mind, like, I don't even know if you can see like the little, it not meeting, because I could put like little cute stuff right there, or like my, well, you can't see it, but I'm gonna decorate it. But I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.